guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you this look. So this is a fall makeup look. The lips are a bit dark, but I think it's perfect for this fall, for this season. And if you don't like this shade, you can totally change it to any other lipstick that you want, but I'm mostly showing you how to do this makeup look. So it's like a cut crease. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and the new Nude Huda Up Beauty palette. So yeah, I hope that you really like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so in the button down below so that you're part of this family, and activate the notifications button so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'm doing a giveaway, so go check out that video. I'm giving away 5 makeup products, so yeah, go check that video. And yeah, with no further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna be taking this shade right here, and this is called Pukey. So I'm gonna be taking that, and I'm gonna be applying that as a transition shade. Now I'm going to take this angle brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to grab this shade right here. It's like a brownish shade, the one below the one that we just took, and this is called Roxanne, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease to deepen out this color. And don't worry about the color, because at the end we're going to clean this with some concealer to make it like a cut crease. So just keep doing it, girl, and we're going to clean it after. I'm gonna take this kind of like burgundy shade right here, like between reddish burgundy. Now I'm gonna grab my blending brush and blend all of this so that it's like smooth and we don't have any harsh lines. Now, like I said, we're gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna grab some concealer and do a cut crease. So I'm just gonna do it with one eye so you can see like the processes, and then the rest I'm gonna do it out of camera, and then we'll keep on adding that yellow shade on the eyelid. I recommend kind of like opening your eyes so you can see where like that crease is, and from there you start applying the concealer. And then we're gonna make like this tail over here. Okay, now that we have our cut crease, we're gonna take that yellow shade right here. I'm using the one from the Jaclyn Hill palette, but if you have any other brand, you can totally use it as long as it has good pigmentation, because we want a really bright yellow. I'm gonna grab some of my setting sprays so that this has more pigmentation to apply this, because like I said, we want a lot of pigmentation for this bright yellow. And we want also to bring it up to that like wing that we have over here. Now we can add a little bit of glitter, since all of the shades that we've used are matte. So I'm gonna add a line of glitter like on the top of my cut crease, and then I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner. For the glitter line, if you have a glitter eyeliner like itself, then you can use that, but I don't have that, so we're gonna improvise a little bit. I'm gonna use this angled brush from BH Cosmetics. It's a really small brush, and then I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna be using this shade right here that's called Create. So it's like a gold slash like silvery shade. So I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm gonna do my glitter eyeline. Okay, so now that we have this, now we can move on to our black eyeliner. So this is what the eyes look like after I did the glitter eyeline and my black eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna finish my full face makeup, and then we're gonna add some eyeshadow to our lower lash line, and we would be finishing the look. Now that this is done for our lower lash line, I'm gonna take this burgundy like reddish shade that we grabbed for transition shade, and I'm gonna apply that on the lower lash line. And now my favorite part, highlighter for our inner corner of the eye. And for that, I think I'm gonna get the same shade that we did to align the eye, and it's the shade called Crepe. So I'm gonna grab my pinky finger, grab a little bit, and put it on the inner corner of the eye. And to finish up, I'm gonna take this Victoria's Secret Pure Metal lipstick, and this is like a copper shade, so I think it's perfect for this fall. It is a bit dark, but I think it matches this look for fall. So we're doing like brown shades or like beige shades. So I think it's really good. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you really like it. I love doing these kind of videos. And I saw this makeup look on Instagram, so I was like, why not try it? I saw it on ColourPop's Instagram feed, so yeah, I hope that you really like it. And if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I hope to see you on more of my next video, so don't forget to subscribe in the button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!